Hey everyone, Dank and Derpy Gamers back with another coding and chatting stream. I'm gonna keep working on my JavaScript Sonic the Hedgehog engine, and I'm also at the same time gonna try to concurrently work on my implementation of my C Sonic engine. So what you see right here, no play on words intended, is my attempt at a playable character, which could be Sonic, Tails, Knuckles, anyone. I have all these variables here. Then what I did was I made a bunch of function pointers. This is all copied over from the JavaScript version just so I have the values for the physics and everything. Here I have my shitload of function pointers that will all be assigned to these functions here in my initializing function. What that will do is allow me to take the object and just dereference the pointer and pass that's the object whose pointer I'm dereferencing as the parameter to kind of approximate, even if not as well as I could, having something like classes and objects and stuff. And yeah, it's a lot of variables, but it's a lot of data that needs to be manipulated and gets manipulated in quite a few different ways. So yeah, anyway. Current. Let me show you where I'm at with this. Yeah, never mind the text up there. Yeah, that was from my crappy attempt at doing title card stuff. Uh-oh. Something's wrong here. Uh-oh. Alright, so the animation's not being completely fixed. That's okay for now. This is what I really wanted to kind of show with it. I got anti-gravity stuff working in this version. So there's that. Yeah, I know the animation's messed up right now, but I'll fix it eventually. I'm just happy I got the anti-gravity part working. Oh, and no more bullshit boomeranging. I love the fact that the anti-gravity works. And all of Sonic's sensors appear to be in the correct places. Whoops. What the hell? Oops, that's not supposed to work like that. Hey! That worked. Oh, wait. I want to see something. I want to see if I can fix one thing here before I go and try and fix the animation part. Alright, components. No. Objects. Playable. Sonic. Alright, move. Dead. Oh, that's why. Whoops. Whoops. Sorry about that. Oh, fuck. Alright, so the animation is still fucked up because I haven't fixed the animation cycle to make it work like it was. But hey, Tojo, what's going on? Take a look at this. Even though the animation I kind of borked. Yep, more or less. Look at this. Even though the animation is screwed up, anti-gravity works. And it works so well. He dies upside down now. Wait, what? Wait. I want to see what happens. Okay, that doesn't work. Good. That actually would be kind of bad if it worked, where you could flip him upside down while he was dying. Oh man, I like how anti-gravity stuff works already. I still can't get past how funny that looks, seeing him die upside down. Okay, now to fix the animations. You know what else sounds really good? Sky Sanctuary Zone in reverse. Upside down Sonic Death is funny. Oh, it all sounds really good. So yeah, Sky Sanctuary. Backwards. Whoops, zone. My God, I don't know why. Oh wait, you know what's kind of funny? Every other beat is missing. So Casino Night Zone. Every other beat. Yeah, it's so funny, isn't it? Yeah, also it's chemical plant zone. I'll take that one next. Oh, yeah.
Start the new year with our
Oh,
best
fuck
internet
off,
deal
Optic
yet.
cunt.
For a limited time, get 300 meg speed from
I
Optimum
don't
for
give
only
a
30.
shit. That is pure eargasm. Alright, so I'm gonna figure out now where to... Man. So now this becomes 8, 9, 10. There's 11. There we go. Oh, bummer. Yes, I'm going all the way. I hope Tom Scott doesn't
Start the new
end up.
year with
Fuck you, Optic cunt. We ditched you because your internet was shit.
Congratulations! We got it back in.
Oh God, I didn't love some of the dark humor that Tom Scott puts into this. Seriously.
Nani?
I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way to eat your skin.
Dad, I'm gay.
I have no son.
This isn't my house.
Oh God.
A, B, C, D, E, F, gun.
Did somebody say
What the
waffles?
fuck?
I have brain damage.
A knife! My favorite!
I
I wish people would be nice to me.
I love this
Your
stuff.
wish is stupid.
I like how he's still doing
Hey,
these.
can your girlfriend do this?
That's hot.
You're fired. You can't fire me. I quit. You can't quit. I quit. You can't quit. You're a frog. You can't frog me. You're my wife. I'm not your wife. You're my wife. Oh, hey, honey, how was work? Pretty good, but I quit my job. You can't quit your job. You're fired.
That was a good one.
Ah!
I sure hope I don't get hit by a car.
That's for sleeping with my wife.
Hey, can people fly?
This stuff is great.
That's a shame.
I love that he's still doing them.
Ugh, it's Johnny Big Feet.
Hey, my feet aren't that big.
Damn you, Johnny Big Feet!
This is not my arm.
Hey, your chin feels nice.
Oh no, a gunman!
Oh, I'm gonna stab you.
I don't know how anyone could not like that.
Where?
Oh, that was
I'm
funny.
gonna stab you.
Hey! Where? Good news.
Wait, what the hell?
Good news. We were able to save your legs. And here they are.
I'm leaving
And
you,
he's
Jerry.
smiling.
You and your inappropriate reactions.
Wee!
I love that wee.
My mouth tastes like teeth.
That wee.
Jerry, you and your inappropriate reactions.
Wee! My mouth tastes like teeth.
I don't want to be a mother.
Oh no.
Hey, did
Oh man. Oh god.
No! Don't jump!
Yes,
Okay,
that's
now jump.
Jacksepticeye. Okay, there are a couple in this one that.
my beautiful baby, this is the happiest day of my life.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Have you
You're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
have you seen my
That
lemons?
was fucked
I
up.
want my lemons.
I don't want to be fat anymore.
Okay, how many times I've
Meow?
seen these?
Yeah, I'm a cow. I said
They're
meow,
funny
meow.
as
I'm a
hell.
cow. Hey, you, if you like Aston Movie, you should probably buy an Aston Movie t-shirt. I promise I won't spend your money on food. Nah, I'm totally gonna spend it on food.
Alright, I'm back to this. He's fucking gone. Yeah, this guy's fucking brilliant. I don't want to risk getting content ID claimed, so I won't play any more. Oh, what did I do? But, Jesus Christ. $85. I don't think anyone expected the guy to just eat the gun. One of my friends at one of the colleges I went to, yeah. Oh man, I love when that happens. Great. Just realized I'm gonna have to go through all these fucking animations and add this. Because I have so many animations. So many animation frames. I swear, I'm gonna take all of this animation system and just make it so much simpler. Or rather, just implement everything that I put in from the get-go for my C version of this. So I'm not haphazardly adding it later on. Ooh, yeah. Whoops.
This is a 2015 BMW commercial.
No one
That's a
fucking
2015
cares, yeah,
X1,
Beamer
which
bitch. That's what it's yes, oh my god, now I'm not gonna be able to unhear that. And I have no problem with that. Holy crap. Pick up Bob, it sounds like, you know? Holy crap. And the good thing about going and doing a version of this in C is that I don't have to do all of this bullshit. I can just use binary IO and have files with all the data in it. And because of the way I do it, for the animation data and the level layout data, I could actually use the actual binary data from the various disassemblies if I wanted to. Or make it so you could use that or any other format of data. Or something like something similar to what I have for my JavaScript version if I really wanted to. I think I'm well over halfway there. Oh. Now I'm on Sonic's animations. I think this is the last thing I actually animated for this. Hey, am I the only one who remembers on Nickelodeon the show Nick News? I was like one of those weird kids who actually did kind of enjoy it. And looking back at it, I watched an episode. Ooh. Gotta go check that one out next. But I was like, I found a few old episodes on YouTube, and I was like, I really appreciate the show. Yeah, I was like, an interesting fun fact about that. Actually, before I do that, the guy who did the closing theme song to the show actually uploaded it to YouTube. I can't believe that show ended 5 years ago and it had been on the air for over 20 years. god, it's such a cool theme song, I have to say. Yeah. There we go. So, oh yeah. Hold on, there's something funny I want to show you in an actual Sonic game for a sec. That Sonic 3 prototype. Here's the prototype. Fine, that's hacks. That was the hack where the guy re-implemented Lava Reef. I want to play just an old vanilla 1993 November 3rd. You know what's funny? I want to show you something with debug mode and killing tails that's kind of funny. Alright, so this is... Oops. Wait, where did tails go? Oh, shit. Oh, wait, but this actually, it gets funny. Oh, wait. Okay. Hey, I thought he died. That's great. He got stuck. I don't know. But it gets even stupider. What the hell? It's spamming the death sound. And Sonic is not amused. Wait. What the fuck? You see that? You see the way Tails just flew? Jesus Christ! You saw? And look at that. This is so early in development that spikes don't even work in Flying Battery. Hold on. Yeah, totally. I just love fucking up Tails's. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh. You okay there, Tails? You look like you're getting a little dizzy there. Maybe you had a little too much to drink before you jumped onto the Flying Battery Zone. Oh, God. I never get tired of that. You can tell this level is really unfinished. Wait. I gotta do something else. Alright, before I go back to programming, before I go back to coding, I want to just get myself a little more sidetracked to do something stupid here. Okay, unfortunately, this is annoying because I have to apparently configure the input over and over again, and do it twice before the damn emulator works right. Whoops. Okay, here we are. That's fixed. Alright, so here's where I wanted to mess around with stuff. That sounds like shit. Uh-oh. Okay, let's try another game and see what that does. What would it sound like if I did with Pugsy all fucked up like that? Oh god. Oh god. Actually, I want to restart the emulator again. Yes, that means having to redo the input again because this fucking thing can't seem to save it worth a damn. Alright. Whoops. Now I want to do something stupid. Open up prototypes. Oh god, the input didn't register because it's fucking... Oh yeah, that's right. Never mind. Alright, so let's open up Debug, Mega Drive, VRAM, memory editor, and let's copy that. Open up the Mega Drive ROMs again. Let's go to the Y prototype. Let's see what Hidden Palace Zone. That looks ugly, doesn't it? I don't know why this emulator doesn't like always playing the sound with this. Come on, what the fuck's with the sound or lack thereof? I have to go all the way to beta 7. Flying springs, look at that. The buzz bombers were turned into flying springs. Oh man. What the? What? I should really do a corruption video where I just mess with the VRAM and stuff. I should. Casino Showdown. I don't understand why the sound doesn't work. You can see that the way the level scrolling for the background is done, that it clearly does not work. But also, notice how of all the things that get messed up with this VRAM messing around, the background, although the deformations make it look weird, is still intact. Funny, huh? Actually, let's go to the Y prototype. Hey! Now we got the Y prototype with the post-Y alpha background. These tiles were here in the Y prototype, but they were not working correctly in terms of all that other shite. Yeah, it really did look pretty good. But yeah, enough of this. I want to go back to programming because I've almost got this figured out. Go back to animation. There we go. Well, almost. I still love how upside down death is upside down. Wait. Alright, so there's something in the logic that I changed that is not working right. Hey, we did it! Almost. We almost got it. I still have not figured out the hitboxes though and why they're so weird. I'm still really proud of myself for the anti-gravity part working. I just love killing Sonic over and over. I don't know what the hell is wrong with me. So oh yeah, I'm an idiot. I know what I have to do. I know what I have to do because of how this works now. Spinning animation loop. The fallback index is. Let me see something here. 0, 1. Oh yeah, and what this allows me to do. One, 2. Fallback index becomes 2. To make this this also goes to 2. Fallback index will become 1. I'll make this last the number of frames needed. Then I'll go to this. Frames will complete, and then I'll go to this one. And I'll loop over and over and over again. And there we'll go. We'll have the foot tapping idle animation working correctly. Yeah! Theoretically, at least. I was watching that episode of Sonic Boom Hedgehog Day again. I love it. Eggman gets so tired of the same day he knocks the breakfast out of that robot's hands. He realizes the good thing about having to repeat the day over and over. He could just perfect his attack over and over. And he turns to the robot, hands him a broom. He's like, just because there's no tomorrow doesn't mean I want ants today. And you see like a big black pile of ants crawling on the tray of flipped over food. It's just, I don't know, something about that I thought was really funny. Maybe I'm just a weird fuck.
Start the new year with our
No, Opta cunt. I don't want your fucking shitty internet. Yeah, it really is. This guy is freaking great. That's 24 frames. Number of loop. True. Number of animation loops is 12 loops at 24 frames. Whoops. Alright, so it loops back to itself here. Hey, it works! Woohoo! The walking animation is fixed. Yeah! Now, if only I could just figure out the fucking hitboxes. Why those are still weird. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 8, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Alright, so 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright, so if I did this correctly. Hey, hey! Woo! Uh-oh. Gonna give that arbitrarily Yeah. And 9. 8. There we go. There we go. Now the skidding should be exactly where it needs to be as well. Wise animation does that. It looks like it's I think I fixed the animation. Yeah. I love that. Okay. I gotta show you where my problem still lies with this rendition. Okay. Videos. Look how far away that collision is. I mean, the animations, they work just fine. And that's the part. That's the part I'm the most thrilled about. Let me just make sure I got the animation stuff back together again correctly. Well, no. Bikes shifting, stationary, springs, items, monitor, diddy titty dur. Wait, titty dur, what? Back index. 1. 1. Look at that. The rings look great, don't they? Except the animation's where I still fall apart. I mean, no, the collision, I mean. Durr. My object manager here. I had an index. Yeah, that's what it was. Oh yeah, I forgot to fix the animation for this. Herp-a-derp. Oh yeah. Hey! Hey, Egghead, you look fine. Looks like you're about to in need of a headache. Hey, the animation is a little slow and is longer than it should, but it works. Whoops. That still doesn't work. Look at that. Imagine an anti-gravity boss that had you flipping upside down to hit Egghead. Actually, I can go into gens right now, and I could actually count the number of frames. Alright, originals, retail. You say I'm very meticulous. Oh yeah, I'm sure it's been done. Whoops. Oh, this is not the right version. I didn't want Gens Plus. I wanted 11B because I had the frame counter here. And the ability to do that. To go frame by frame. Ah. Okay, I have to reset the emulator because this fucking thing. Once you go into that mode, you can't get out of it. I always like doing this in the demo screen. And you can kill him pretty much every demo in this. Oh, that would have been really cool. Ooh. Whoops. Hold on. Thanks for the hosting, dude. 1, 2. Alright, so it looks like they are single frames here. Animation data. Let's go back to hit. Frame count. Frame duration. If that looks better. A little, now it's just a little longer than it should be. It looks a lot better though. There we go. And no, I still have not figured out why. Yeah, I'll check that in a few moments. I've almost got the animation, I think, looking correct. Let's see. This might be it. Yeah! It works! Woohoo! I just need to get the hitboxes actually working correctly. I just don't know why it's not doing that. Okay, that's even funnier. Oh yeah. That's still a problem. When I change the gravity. Oh man. When I change the gravity, Sonic just flies upward. I realize that there's still a lot of animations I still have not adjusted to the fact that I actually do have a loop count and a fallback for each animation, which I didn't think to do originally, but working a lot better now. Now that I've done that, my animation just feels so much better. Oh. 1, 4. Let me see. Did that fix it? Yay! Now he doesn't just randomly disappear. Now let's see. Will his animations kick in? I guess it's not. I still have to work the bugs out of that one. I really would love that to work. Hold on, let me see. 4 frames, and then 72. Whoops. Yeah, I'll take my angst for this not working out on the fat man. Yep, that's still not working quite right. I'm still not sure what the hell is going on with my collision detection here. Woo! Wee! And yes, I got the variable jumping working upside down. I still love Sonic dying upside down. That's just so funny. Hold on, I gotta see if I can do something here. I wanted to see if I could simulate pausing a game. Is pause is false. That. Let me see if I got the variable name right here. Frames locked. Oh, it's just frames locked. Frames locked equals. Guess not. It would have been nice if I could get the pause functionality working. Oh wait, I got an idea. Yup. Uh-oh. Of course. Oh, wait. The 5. the hell? Oh wait, did I get the... Might have gotten these backwards. Oh yeah, I think that's what happened. I mean, well, it doesn't matter because it didn't work. That pause function didn't work. Woo! Yeah, the bigger benefit I find from my attempt to remake this engine but in C, despite the amount of work it will take to make everything function like it does here, or even better, is that I don't have to make each object its own thing. I have a base object in my, which I haven't finished defining in code yet. I'll close this for now, though. But the functions that access and change the variables will all be dependent, will be their own functions that will be linked to the function pointers inside the base object. Same with the collisions, specific functions, and all the things like the hitbox, positions, and the dimensions of each object are all things that will be common for all the objects. How that moved around and interacts with Sonic, those will be its own functions, and that's where the function pointers come in. Wonder I was pissing like a racehorse all day. That's all I gotta say. Crap. Yes, I know that looks really weird with the text up there. I am more than well aware. That reminds me of that scene in Mrs. Doubtfire where Daniel's at the actually I haven't farted all day. I did have to say a prayer for my toilet. That's another story. Alright, so for the title screen. The title card. This is the create text. What it does is it grabs text and oh yeah, I think the problem I was having was actually with the image and not with the programming for this shit. Oh yeah. Yep. So yeah, I have it drawing a canvas. Drawing to a canvas, I should say. Graphics, font. You know what? I got another idea. Temporarily, why don't I just use this font? Complete font. All the spacing is consistent. Yep, it's an 8x8. Okay, so I'm gonna comment this out. You know, it's in times of really cold weather like this that I'm actually really jealous of women because they have down-filled robes. One company I saw a long time ago actually advertised them to men, but they don't anymore. Just God, they look so comfy, and I would kill for something that was like a portable comforter without the schlepping of comforters everywhere or sliding off them like when I used to bring a comforter down here in the winter. But that's another story. Uh-oh. That's not the one I wanted to edit. That's the one I wanted to keep the damn same. That's another story. Okay, and now let's go to the globals. Eight and 8. Test eyes on. Okay, that's closer. Yeah. Call me weird if you want. I don't care. This. Okay, so that's where my problem is. Alright, let me just do this. Default the grab offset. Hold on. Let me open this with GIMP. I think I know what I did wrong here. Six. Okay, so 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Star or asterisk. And then from this. Okay, 25, 26. Oops. Nine. 30. 31. 32. 5. 6. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm an idiot. Hey, it works! Woo! Now I have to make the title card, the actual title card font sheet line up, match up correctly in terms of the symbol. Not so much in terms of the actual size, because that size can always be changed. Then I have to figure out how to make every aspect of it move. Oops. Of course, also more pressing, I think, is getting that stupid fucking hitbox problem worked out. Not working here. Oops, that's why. Hey! It works! Woo! Sometimes I have the maturity of a 3-year-old, but you know what? I don't give a fuck. Love that crunch sound when you hit Robotnik. Oh, I just remembered. There is still one animation I need to implement, and that is the laughing animation when you are hurt. Oh, and you know what else I realized I could do? I could also use the same title card type system to make a thing that keeps track of Sonic's coordinate. That's another story. I've come so far. I just can't believe I'm actually making progress. So I remember the very first version of this I did. I actually, in my database class, my first semester finishing up undergrad, I would kind of goof off when my professor wasn't looking and show one of my friends what I had, my old version of what I had worked on. Yeah, I would goof off in class. It was. I tried to refine it over time. The last version I did, I actually lost, which was further than the last version. The oldest I have now, which had tile collisions and stuff, kind of working. No real animation. Here's the layers. Tool option. Aha. Graphics, objects, hazards, Eggman. So I have his normal. I have his hurt. Okay, that I realized that didn't look quite right. Guys. Whoops. Go. Now, got the space I need to do what I have to. What I'm doing here, adjusting this. So these two frames have the small flame here, and the other ones have the big flames. That way, it keeps the one the alternating frame of the hurt itself, but this part will look correct, as it ought to. Okay. Let's scroll back up here. Maybe 4 frames. Or 2. Oops. Okay, that. Frames. Okay, that doesn't look half bad. Look at the, the animation, I think it's a bit slower, kinda, but the flame is consistent. That's perfect. There we go. There we go. I just love bouncing Sonic like this. Boing, boing. I still gotta figure out what the hell is going on with these hitboxes and the way they're being detected. Crunch away while you eat a candy bar. Oh man. Speaking of candy, in the bag I use to hold my electronics to and from work, I have a push pop, which I haven't had in years, as well as a Tootsie Pop. Oh man, I don't want to get my fingers sticky, but I love push pops. If I have a little thing I can use as a stick, force it up. Alright. Oh yeah. Also had a ring pop for the first time in forever. Oh, here it is. Tootsie Pop. My push pop. Durr! I had a Tootsie Pop too. That's the one thing I hate about push pops. Yet, it's so easy to get your finger all sticky. neither intended nor expected this to be an unwrapping video. I also didn't expect them to stay up easily on their own like they do, like this one is. Seriously, you know? Okay, there we go. I think my mic, I'm close enough to talk loudly. God, I haven't had one of these in forever. I know it looks very suggestive. Alright, so now, actually I'm gonna see if I can track down the laughing animation. Okay, I think I found it. One thing I hate about the Sonic Galaxy site is the insistence on using anti-ad block on a site that hosts sprite rips of other people's game sprites. Fucking cunt. So there's the animation I was looking for. The cat's very noisily drinking her water. There we go. Now we create an extra piece of room for the laughing animation. Come on. So these animations. Okay, now we've got his laughing animations almost in place. All right, let me someone did this remix of the Chai Kingdom Zone from Super Mario Land, but with a Genesis style or sound font. Oh man, it sounds so awesome. I just wish the drums were louder. There we go. Now I got the bottom correct. Whoops. Oh man, that, in my opinion, was pure eargasm. Hang on one moment, folks. Hi. I have to. Uh-oh. I have to. Uh-oh. Alright, so the palette is definitely different. That might be a problem. Alright, let me just remove all the flame here. I can just copy that over later. So now, time for the flame. Now I have to update the animation. Let's just see what this looks like. Eight plus 6, 4. See how this looks. Hold on a moment. God damn it, OBS. Stop fucking doing that. Stupid fucking thing. Yeah. I still like how that troll face was just perfect. Okay, that animation even worse now. God fucking damn it. Okay. We got the Egg-O-Matic looking a little bit more like it's supposed to. Constipated face. Oh man. Alright. We're almost ready to try this again. Yeah! Almost. The color palette differences are glaringly obvious here. So I gotta see if I can find a better. So what I am doing here, Wandy, is I am trying to make a Sonic the Hedgehog clone in pure JavaScript. And, well, not pure, because I did have to use a little bit of jQuery. To make this thing work properly. Hold on, let me see. How many, oh yeah, it's 4 frames. Good question. Okay, that is a definitely not what I want. Crap. Hey, that's cool, man. Hold on, let me see if I just kind of zone in and out. Oh, come on. What the why are you not working right? You smirky little robo bastard. My hitboxes are really all messed up still as well. Crap. I thought I had this thing working. Hold on. Okay. How many pixels off? 1, 2, 3. I need to move that last frame 3 more pixels over. Son of a bitch. Oh, and it's still wobbling. What the hell? And yes, I know that's not his hurt animation. That's the problem. The part I'm wrestling with right now is that the hitboxes themselves, the green boxes and all the objects that are displayed on screen are the actual hitboxes I have. And yes, I have not finalized the proper place for my Eggman sprite. Problem is, for some reason, my function for doing collision detection is putting the hit further down and to the right than where it really is, which is really confusing and pissing me off. Because I don't know if I know how to fix the thing. But I'm still working on getting it fixed because fixed it should be. Not to mention also fixing the color palette on the laughing sprite because it's just so apparent that it's a present problem here. First thing I'm gonna try, let's see if my positioning and everything is a-okay or not. So now he doesn't have the smaller flame. Hey! Yeah! Now I just need to give it the smaller flame for the other 2 frames. Like, for ring objects, for rings and bumpers, I do have the proper hitbox, and it shows them in the correct place. And goals in this push pop. One of these things is so long, so many years. Strawberry. Okay, so now whoop. Nope. Nope. Delete that. That. New layer. Whoops. So. Take these flames. That there. Cut that out. Now, overwrite this again. This works. Okay, that was... That's better. I did it! Finally! Woo! I mean, yeah, the color palette differences in my source sprites to get the laughing animation looking correct is still very much noticeable. And it is bugging the ever-loving hell out of me. Oops. There we go. Figuring out these fucking hitboxes. Why the detection is not working in the right place. Despite the hitboxes being placed in the correct locations that I specified. Just the Egg-O-Matic. Egg-Mobile. 1. Now. Here we go. Now he shows the correct. He now shows the correct animation for hurt. I like how Sonic is walking behind test zone. Oh, wow. Wait. Oh, hold on. Did that just do what I think it just did? Please do it again, Sonic. I just saw him go into his pose, his impatient pose. Of course. Some plastic on the I missed before. Oh man, that's kind of funny. Because of that plastic I didn't see before, the push pop is raised over here. That's ridiculous. Now I've got that thing from SpongeBob.
A little something for your trouble. Gold, 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 gold. Aye, treasure chest. Aye, but it's based on a real plastic treasure chest. Aye, based on a real
So I'm just, and
Mr. Krabs, you're looking all sweaty again.
I don't understand your question. Yep. Oh, my cat was actually using her scratching post. Nice. Hold on, I think I know what I should do for this one. One, two, four. Six. Seven. Eight. Nine. 10. 11. Oh yeah. 12. Don't know if Notepad++ has a dark mode, which would frickin' help. Two. That should that. Whoops. Or not. 4. Okay, so I know what I did wrong here. Not really did wrong. Met these by 1. Oops. That's correct. Sort of. Makes things wide 80. One reason. Test this. I guess that didn't work. Annoying. Oh yeah, that's why. Hey, I did it. I fixed it. Animations now work completely as intended. Well, mostly. I mean, the existing animations, except for the idle poses. That's not working yet. It's almost there, though.
Treasure chest. Aye, but it's based on a real treasure chest.
Gee, Mr. Krabs, you're looking all sweaty again.
Oh, I know why he's not going into that impatience. Oh, God. Two is not equal to 3. Well, we've only been out here a few hours. Oh, man. That was a good episode. Arr. Arr, Cap, arr. Okay, I can't. Definitely. That was a good one, too. There is an. Not gonna lie, that kind of startled me a little bit. I don't know. Just did. Oh, wait, what if I do this? Almost. I almost got the animation working. Crap. I got my push pop stuck in its little. Son of a bitch. God. Okay, I think now the impatient animation is gonna look correct. Let's see. Almost. There we go. Almost. Oh, there we go. We did it! Woo! Look at that! Oh, now I gotta figure out how to fix the animation sticking in his looking up or ducking poses. See how it looks upside down. He's tapping his foot on the ceiling. It works. Woo! Hey, look at that. Variable jumping upside down works. And I actually... Well, actually, it doesn't quite completely work. Still got some ceiling jumping things to work on. I already ate all of mine, unfortunately. But I shall eat in spirit. Spirit. Eat and spit. I don't know if you meant to say spirit or not, but regardless. Now I just gotta fix this animation. Yep, this is preventing that from happening. Okay, that's weird. Okay, so we're back to square one. Damn. Yes! Woohoo! Alright, his impatience thing works perfectly, exactly like it should. And his animations for ducking or looking up no longer stick. Hell yeah! A ROM hack implementation of the song from the game Balloon Kid for the Game Boy. Now, oh yeah. I really gotta get this hitbox thing figured out. It's really pissing me off. Oh yeah, one of my favorites. Range intersect, comparing the range from the start X position to that plus the width for the hitbox 1 and the second one, and then the same for the Y, and if they're both true, it'll return true. If one of them is false, it'll return false, which means that there it is. Sounds so much like, oh man, it brings back memories of some of the early Sonic the Hedgehog fan games I used to play. I used MIDI that sounded so much like this. Oh yeah. Not bad at all, really, for this, you know. Holy crap, it's almost midnight?
Free.
I couldn't help but go back to this for a little bit. Man. Well, tomorrow I take my cat to the vet, even though whatever was ailing her over the last couple of days seems to be fixed. Or rather, she seems to be well again. Weird. It really is. Well, last couple of days, she had some really stinkier than usual turds, and her mood was just very different, and she was also not eating as consistently. And that was all until this morning, at least. Gobbled up all of her breakfast, and then later on today, when I got home, I fed her evening dry food, and she like they'd be able to make kittens together, though. They'd. I forgot where I was gonna go with this. Oh, she gobbled down the dry food she got at the end of the day. So I feel so much better. Ooh, should I use that text right here for a title card font? The one right above the actual Sonic 1 font? That would look cool. Ooh, looks like this is ripped from the Game Boy Advance train wreck. My god, that looks fucking awful. Jesus Christ. TYZ. B, W, and X are missing. Oh god. Oh. So it's 15 by 16. So I'm guessing that there's a space right after that. Okay, so last thing I'm gonna do tonight is get the proper title card font working. All right. Let's see. God, I love this song. There we go. This is a very arduous task, but it'll be worth it. Yes, I remember that. I remember that. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're almost at the end of the alphabet here. All right, 3 more letters, guys. Oh, hell yeah. A hell of a hobby, may I add. Although I do hope to turn the bare bones game components into things I can use for a game that I want to actually develop and maybe sell eventually. Oh yeah, definitely a clapping sound. Okay, that didn't quite work. Yoi Po Aki. And I know exactly why. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. There's no J. Okay, I know what I have to do. So there's no Q either. What is this, Wheel of Fortune? There. And you know what else? Doing it this way does in our favor is allow us, like in the original game, to have scenarios like in the prototype screenshot for Clockwork Zone, which became Scrap Brain, where because it didn't have a W, it was just simply called Clockwork Zone. Hey! It worked! There we go. It worked! I can't believe it works! Woohoo! Ah! Sonic's in his bored pose. Yep, just like in the original game, Clock Orc Zone. There we go. Ow. Gotta make this work. Oh yeah. Welcome to Ice Crap. That's gonna be part of the tile map work. And that's gonna be the next thing I work on. Eventually, rather. Short. This is so exciting. It's working. Alright. Now what I gotta do for the title card thing is make it animated and actually working on that shit, you know? Alright, so what this is going to do is there's a series of frame elapsed times for each stage of the title card thing with the movement and everything. The animation stage will also dictate which element in the array here will be used. It'll also be used with the comparison with this to advance this. Different things will happen in each stage. From moving text to the side to moving it back again and all that shit. Okay. First I want to see. Go back in here. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. 15 frames. Four, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. 15. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 18. Right. 18. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8. Wait. That's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 20. Oh, it's 130 frames. Four, and then 15 again. There we go. We got the different stages. I think. All right, so enough of this though. I should go to bed. I have to be up early tomorrow. I will do another one of these streams pretty soon though. Probably Saturday. I could do another one. Yeah, we absolutely did. Oh, nice. Yep. Anyway, folks, time for my generic outro. If you like this video and if you've not yet done so, if you're on YouTube, like, share, subscribe, tap that bell icon so you're notified every time I stream or upload a video. If you are on Mixer or Twitch, please do me a solid and follow me there as well. On social media, you may do so via Discord, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And if you want to donate, which is always optional, you may do so through Patreon, PayPal, Wallet, or Streamlabs. Whether as little as $1 or any amount above, every bit is greatly appreciated and goes towards making this channel a derptastic success. Until tomorrow, this is Dank and Derpy Gamer saying thank you for watching. I hope you all had fun, and as always, please stay classy, stay sassy, be smart-assy, but not too gassy. People still don't like that, and I will see you all tomorrow.